Sociology 2. This is a second video to help you understand what sociology is. In the first video, I went into great detail about a variety of aspects of the science of sociology. And afterwards I thought that it might be useful to make a shorter, quicker version, and I also thought about one other idea that I could introduce that will help you understand sociology. In the first video, I explained that sociology is the scientific study of society, and of course we're talking about human society and human social behaviors. Sociologists study large institutions, but also individual interactions and every kind of interaction in between. Of primary importance in sociology is the understanding, or the effort and goal of understanding, the relationships and connections between individuals and the societies of which they are a part. This idea and perspective is generally referred to as the sociological imagination. Now, there's one other idea that I'd like to introduce as well. If you're to boil down all of the different research that has been done and is being done in sociology, I think that you could argue that a basic question of sociology is this: how is a viable social order possible? How does the social order exist? How does it work? How does it keep existing from day to day and from generation to generation? When bad things happen, like riots or mass shootings or serious crime, people often turn to sociology and social scientists in order to understand how things like that could happen. While those questions are important, and sociology does have tools to help us understand those things, a more basic question of sociology is, why don't those things happen all of the time? The social order generally works so well that we take it for granted, and we only think about how it works when it breaks down. Sociologists are trying to understand how it works all of the time. While we do have an interest in tragic events and how they happen and how they can be prevented, a more basic aspect of sociology is why those things don't happen all the time. How is a viable social order possible, today and also throughout time in history? How does the social order maintain itself, and how do people learn to be a part of that social order as they grow up and as they live their lives and participate in the social order?